Just listed, an affordable Rehoboth Beach condo that has great rental potential with no community rental restrictions, an HVAC system that was replaced in 2022, and is conveniently located east of Route 1 Coastal Highway and is walking distance to the bus stop, restaurants, shopping, grocery store, fast food, and a short drive to downtown Rehoboth Beach, Lewes, and Cape Henlopen State Park. This third-floor 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom condo is located on the top floor with no noisy upstairs neighbors to worry about and features luxury vinyl plank floors, an open-concept living and dining area, a primary bedroom that features a walk-in closet and bath ensuite. The second bedroom also has a walk-in closet and bath ensuite that also opens to the front hall for easy use from the living room, dining room and galley kitchen. There is also a private screened balcony facing the woods with a storage closet. The community of Creekwood has an in-ground pool, sidewalks, street lighting, with plenty of places to walk your dog. Call for an appointment today.